So friends, my name is Ajay Kot. Today topic is abstraction versus encapsulation. Java is an object-oriented programming language and it is the follow the hops concept. The hops concept instead of the classes object polymorphism inheritance. There are the two other features of hops, that is abstraction and encapsulation. They both the same, very similar, but the totally different of the concept and information. The major difference between the subtraction and encapsulation is the abstraction hide the code completely, with the encapsulation hide the internal working from the outside the world. In the section we will be discuss the abstraction and the encapsulation and the difference between the abstraction and encapsulation in Java. First point is the abstraction. It is the features of hops is used to hide the necessary information or the data form of the user, but show the initial data that is useful for the user. It can be achieved by the using the interface and the subtract classes. In interface only, the method is the expand to the data end user. The best example of the subtraction is the TV remote. The user only interact with the outer interface, that is the nothing but the key. The user only known as which is the key press or the data function. And second point is the encapsulation. It is the also features of the hops. It is used to the bend up to the data into the single unit called as a classes. It is provided the mechanism which is known as the data handling. It is the important feature of hops. It is a present to the classes the member from the outside of the class. It is also necessary form of the security point of view and and difference between the abstraction and encapsulation. First point is the abstraction is the feature of hops that is hide the necessary details but show the initial information. And second point, encapsulation. Encapsulation is the also features of the hops. It is hide the code and data into the single entry or unit so that the data can be protected from the outside world. Second point, it is slow in the access at the design level. Encapsulation slow in the access is the encapsulation level. And third point, it is a focus on the internal lockout. It is a focus on the internal working. And fourth point is the it can be implemented using the abstract classes and interface. It can be implemented by using the access modifier. Access modifier मध्ये private, public and protected. And five point, it is the process of the gaming information. It is the process of the connecting the information. 6 point, in abstraction we will be subtract classes and interface to the hide in the code of the complexity. Encapsulation, we use the getter and setter method to hide the data. And last point, the object are the expected that the help to the perform subtraction. To object need to the abstract the result of the encapsulation. Thank you.